What's poppin'? How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, we are doing our 31 days of Halloween, and today is day 3. Can you guess who it is? I'll give you a hint. Say my name 3 times. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Yes, it is Beetlejuice. You know, today's the 3rd. He said his name 3 times, so I think it's suitable that today is Beetlejuice. So we have our greens, we have our purples, and we have our striped pattern. I definitely think the glitter was an excellent addition. I don't know what's going on with me and glitter and bright colors. And this baby poop green, this is like the second or third day that I've used it in a row, but it looks good. Let me tell you guys, this look took a long time. This is not something that I want to do again. I don't know if this is like a double or a triple cut crease or whatever is going on, but it took forever. Just the eyes alone was an hour, and like usually I can do like my eyes and my face and my videos and everything within 1 hour. The eyes alone was 1 hour. Ridiculous. Took forever, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep rocking. If you guys want to see how I did this look, make sure you keep on watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel because, like I said, we're doing 31 days of Halloween, so we got 28 more days of new looks. We're gonna do a new look every day. If you guys have any suggestions or there's a specific look that you want to see, make sure you guys let me know. Keep in mind, like, I'm gonna start doing like special effects makeup, but that's gonna be on the weekend because I can't go to work like that. So yes, stay tuned, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into this look. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into this look. We're starting out with our first color, gang. We're starting out with our first color from the Morphe palette, the Bronze Bay, and we're going for that skin tone color, Hang 10. And we're going to apply this color right underneath our brow bone. That way our green blends into our brown. It's a nice fade. For the next color, we're jumping into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and here we go again with that baby poop green. And this time we're going to start blocking out basically our cut crease, and we want this to be a lot higher than what we usually do because we're going to add like 3 colors there. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm just really blocking out like the contour of my eyeball to that crease, and then I'm going to start blending it upwards. That way the crease is higher than what I want it to be, but it also blends into the brown. So now that we have our green cut out, we're going to go ahead and start with our first layer of the cut crease with the white concealer by Pro Conceal. And I'm just basically just using this to, I guess, get a reference point for me, because like I said, I'm going to be doing this multiple times. I'm going to be cutting the crease multiple times. So I'm using this white one as like a preliminary base, and then I'm going to go over that with another concealer just to make sure the crease is as opaque as it could be. So here I'm switching to a new concealer. This is by NYX, and this is like, I guess it would be a more opaque layer, and it has a finer brush and a smaller brush, so it's easier to work with. So now I'm basically going to go over my cut crease again, and I'm going to make the line super sharp. Now that we've cut our crease, we're jumping into our Revolution palette, the Ultra eyeshadows, and we're going for our nice purple. Now, because it's Beetlejuice, so you want to have a green, a purple, a white, and a black. So now we're doing our purple, and this is kind of like a lighter shimmer purple. And this is where I messed up, because I spent so much time outlining that purple shadow, that purple cut crease, just for it not to be dark enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the entire process anyway, but I would not recommend this color. It's just not strong enough. After I finished both eyes, I ended up switching to the Aurora palette to try a different purple, a darker one, because the purple just was not standing out the way I wanted to, and I wasted so much time doing both of those eyes. And even that purple wasn't good, so I went back to my handy dandy Zulu palette, and I went for that deep purple. Now, I've been trying, because I use this palette so much, I've been trying to use other palettes, but their purple is just not strong enough. I tried, you guys, but I had to go back to my go-to. guys can see, I am already tired of doing this because it just takes so much time. So we're gonna go ahead and cut our crease again with the NYX concealer, and this time we want to make the purple crease a lot thinner than it is. So I'm actually gonna take this concealer higher because I want that purple line to be super thin. Like right now it's really thick, but I'm gonna work with it some more to get it super thin. Now that we've had our crease cut for the third time, we're switching back to the Revolution palette, and this time instead of going for that purple, we're going to go for that matte white, and we're going to mix it with a shimmer white just because the whites are a lot stronger than any other color in that palette. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm outlining the crease where I want it to go, and then I'm going to go in with a bigger brush just so I can cover more ground, because at this point I've already been here for like 45 minutes and I still haven't even done my face, so I gotta try to save some time somewhere. Continuing the trend, I'm using my setting spray along with some loose glitter. That way I can have like that scattered glitter effect. So right now I'm spraying my eyes, then I'm going in with the baby poop green loose glitter, and that's basically just gonna go to the top part of my brow bone. And I guess I could have done this first, but I didn't want to risk mixing the glitter with the purple as I was laying it down. So I think this was a better way to do it because it's wet and it'll stick. I don't know. Don't judge my logic right now. So now we're gonna jump into our line work. This is a basic black liquid liner. And I'm doing my eyeliner the way I normally would. I start out really thin, then I thicken up, then I thin out one more time as I get towards the end. And then we're going to start doing the stripes for Beetlejuice's outfit. Now, when I originally did this, the wing was supposed to be a lot thicker because that's where the stripe was supposed to be. But I didn't cut my crease on the wing part. I didn't cut it high enough. So I just went ahead and did the stripes on the entire white part of the lid. Now, like I said, that wasn't my original plan, but I had to keep going. So this is what our build looks like so far. I'm pretty satisfied. It's not how I planned, but it works. So now we're gonna go ahead and do our lashes and our face, and I'll be back with you guys. Ta-da! Yes, this looks, I tell you, lashes make every look better. So I'm feeling myself a little bit because it's not a complete disaster. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on with the look. I'm adding color underneath my lash line, and this is just some leftover product that was on the brush when I was using the baby poop green. We're going in with our pencil liner. We're going to add some color to our waterline just to make this a more dynamic look. And then we're going to move on to our mascara. We're going to prep our bottom lashes. Then we're going to move on to our highlight. And we're going to add it to the same places we always do. Our nose, our inner tear ducts, and then our brow bone as well. I still felt like this look was missing something, so I went in with the base booster and I put that in the inner tear ducts. That way I can add the glitter as my, I guess, tear duct highlight, because the palette that I normally use just wasn't doing it. So I just felt like I needed to add more green. So yeah. Then we're gonna finish the look by adding a clear lip. This is M.A.C clear lip gloss, super thick. I love it. This is my favorite lip gloss. And this is our look. What do you guys think? Do you think I did justice by Beetlejuice with this look? Do you think it needs some improvements? What would you guys do? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave any suggestions on future looks that you guys want to see in the comments. And I will be back with you guys on the next one. See you tomorrow.